Hey, it's me. I'm JC, Range JC. It's whatever they call me. And it's official. It's the new year. So, real quickly, I don't know how else to say this, but Happy New Year to you. If you watched my last video, which was a Get Woke, plus it was also, not a brain fart, it was also a poetic joint. That was my last video, and it was talking about the new year and what new year means to me. Now, this video is all about hair care. We're going to do a hair talk today. And that means this is a special video because normally I don't do this video. I don't like to do this on a Tuesday. But I wanted to give y'all a video, especially for today, so y'all can get a start of new year of what's going on for me and my thoughts. This video is all about hair care. And what it means, this is a hair talk. This is hair porn. And not on Tuesday, but I'll probably start all month long and all like the next 3 months is all about winter care. Winter care is a big deal for me as well. I feel like it's every natural. Unless you're a TWA and you're at that mark where your hair is like getting longer and you want to start having link retention. That's why we do like videos talking about winter hair care, because winter hair care means we're doing more stuff where it's either protective styling or we're telling you what we're doing for the winter, like for different things we're using for the winter, like say butters instead of just using like creams. That's just like a good 1, 2, 3. I saw a video yesterday and this is like my response. And this person was natural. She's been natural like longer than me. Well, I want to say first and foremost to all you out there, this video is actually going to be about growth. I am 3 years natural. So you're asking that question, what does that mean? If you're like me, my 3-year natural mark is this. I've had trims. I have probably 5 trims over my lifetime of that. I transitioned actually. That means what? Okay, for all you out there asking this question, what does that mean? To all my guys out there, if your hair started off as like a tight fade and it grew and grew and grew and grew and grew, you didn't transition. You did more of what people call a big shot. And this is my dudes. A lot of girls out there know what this is. I'm not saying dudes don't, but I'm just saying just as a refresher course. I transitioned because I had straight hair. When I say I had straight hair, I had perm hair, and then I had my hair always straightened every like 2 or 3 months. And then I dyed my hair red. So I've been natural since 2015. But officially, I was natural October 2015 when a girl did my braids. She cut off the rest of my straight hair. So you're looking at my hair now, and you're like, oh, how long did it take you to grow your hair? This is 3 years and 3 months. So I want to say first and foremost for y'all to understand, and those that out there are like, oh, okay, what does that mean? What does that mean for me? What does that mean for you? What does that mean? If you don't know this by now, your hair growth for everyone is very different. Some people will grow 6 inches. Some people grow up 12 inches in 1 year. That's also about not so much ethnicity, but it's about what your DNA makes up. If you do protective styles, you let your hair grow faster. There's a lot of misconceptions, and I'm going to say first and foremost, your hair is growing every single day. I wanted you to know that first. As we speak, your hair is still growing. Now, how fast your hair grows, I don't know. And how fast my hair grows, I really don't know. As a 3-year natural, my hair is this long. This is like, okay, this is like right here. Let's go right here a bit. My hair is this long. So this is me just pulling something down and you're just seeing a strand right here. And I'm just telling you that. That being said, I watched the video and this person had she said, well, her hair is the same length as it was last year. And what I want y'all to know first and foremost, it doesn't matter how long your years are for being natural. It's about hair growth. Not so much even about hair growth. It's more about your hair being healthy. A lot of us go with a natural hair journey because we're tired of our hair from being like TWA or like a little bit of a fro to you want to grow your hair out from that straight in life. So now you're going to embrace your curls. Some people do other stuff too next to get their hair straightened. I'm not downing anything. And this is not to down her. And yes, I don't really respond to other YouTubers or things like that because like I told you before, I don't mention names. Never gonna be me. But I will say this. Well, I always tell people, it's very simple to grow your hair. You may be like, oh my God, my hair's never gonna grow. My hair's never gonna grow. The reason why is because you see your hair every single day. If you literally go a month, do your hair every single day, don't look at the length, don't look at the length. Next month you look and you go like this. Oh wow. And then the next month it gets longer and longer and longer. You know how that happens? Because you're not paying attention. When you're paying so close attention to every little thing, like how I'm like right here with you, that says right there, you're never going to pay attention. I'm not going to lie. Every now and then I'm shocked by how big my hair is, how long it's getting. You know why? Because I'm not paying attention to it. I had to learn to do that. And as a new natural, I started crazy. My hair did not do what it wanted to do. My hair does so many different things now. And that's what's so amazing about embracing the texture and also loving the journey. A lot of people get on the natural hair journey because they're like, well, I want my hair to go longer. Some people, your hair won't grow as long. Your hair won't grow as fast. And it may take a longer time as well. People are like, wow, she get dreads. Some people will get dreads. Some people will get dreads every single time. And then people are like, really? That's all you gotta do? Yeah. But as far as me go, I want to see where I'm just like, my hair grew and it grew. I'm 3 years though. So don't look at my hair as your goal if you're now in your first month, first year, and your hair is like literally like this long. This long is your hair. Like that long. And you're like, well, I'm gonna get to him. Yes, over time you will get here. You can get here within a year. Some people can. I'm gonna say this first and foremost. Some people, genetics, your hair goes so fast. And you're like, dang, I didn't know how this was gonna go. And that's the thing about it. If you actually learn how your hair goes and stuff like that, that's why it's a journey. That's the question when they give this whole scenario. It's a journey. So when your hair is from the TWA stage of a teeny weeny afro, and it grows to a bigger fro, it grows, or you see your curls like flourish in your texture. You see how like smaller spiral curls these are when you do a first braid out. When you get better at braid outs, we get better at this. That's what we're doing. And that's not so much what I'm always talking about sometimes, because even when people say like, well, where your hair goes, I have them. You have them. But the weird part about it for me and you, if I tell you my hair goes, you may watch just for the hair goes. One person told me their hair goes one video, and then she kept cutting her hair. She cut her hair, cut her hair, cut her hair, cut her hair. And I was like, but you just said you're going to get your hair out. Like, what we doing? And that's what I want y'all to know. Like, I'm going for longer hair. My goals is like this long. I want to get my hair this long, that long. But out of the frame, it's how long I want my hair to grow. But over time, it's going to grow. I'm only 3 years in. And I'm shocked about how much I know now. Not so much shocked, but I'm glad that I retained something linked. But I also retain knowledge from being natural, from learning how to do this. What products do work for me? What products I cannot ever use again? That's what I'm doing a lot when it comes to hair pornos, when it comes to doing this. When I try a new product and you want to try it too, we're having those talks. Even though I call it a porno, we're still letting each other know, this is what I'm using. I'm trying it. I'm trying this. I'm trying this to see if you like it on my hair. If you want to try it yourself, that's what we're doing. I really don't like to say, oh my God, well, this hair is like this hair is like that. Why is it that way? I don't think like that. And I feel like all those guys and girls out there, I want you to realize first and foremost that your hair goals are your goals. You want your hair to get longer, good. But I want you to understand, get your hair stronger and mostly get your hair healthy. If your hair is healthy, keep at that. Your hair will grow so much better, and you'll find your hair to be nice and soft, nice and great, and you're going to touch it and you're going to be like in love. Well, that's the whole point. Not so much always embrace your texture, because some people don't like their texture. Some people always do twist outs. Some people like their hair stretched. I am also a person that wants their hair stretched some more, because we're like, oh my God, your hair's not growing. Or you're probably saying, well, your hair was longer in the last video. Yes, that's because I have a texture where my hair loves to go expand and it withdraws. And that's what your hair is going to do too. But that's the thing about it, is because we're ethnic and we embrace our texture. I am a curly hair texture and you are too. You may be type 4. I hate saying that, but you may be that. And you may have a type 3, you may have a type 2. You may have straight hair just watching this video to see what I'm talking about. I want to always say that first and foremost, that your hair is your hair. Don't always go for growth. Because at the end of the day, your hair will grow. It will grow. I promise you. It will grow. We just have to figure out what bad habits it is. And that's the thing about a journey. It's going to take time. We have to figure out. That's what the thing about a journey. Your hair starts from nothing. A lot of people have hair that started from nothing, and look at your hair now. Some people have a fro. Some people's hair is bigger than they think it is. Some people's hair is really long, and they still think they're in a TWA stage. And it's amazing to see, but it's really just the truth in itself that we sometimes don't see what other people see. Because you see it every day. I see your hair once, and I'm like, oh, guys, his hair growing. Her hair is growing, you know. So, real quickly, I want to always say, first and foremost, that I love you all. And I am trying my best to be back with weekly videos as much as possible. So, bear with me. I'm going to be figuring out new formulas so I can get y'all as much content as possible. And I thank you for watching this video, as always. And Happy New Year to all you out there. Remember, it's a new year. It's a new year. Same you. Same journey that we're on. For either health journey, healthy hair, longer hair, being sick, whoever we're on our path to become. This is the same you. We're just trying to become better people. And that's what our goal is, to help you out, as always. And this is my hair talk. If you liked it, thumb me up, as always. You're going to see like that little line that was there the whole time. Thank you so much for watching it. And stay tuned to see what else I've also posted as the continuation from this video. See you with the next one.